In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coda For. Start by opening Coda and creating a new doc. You can pick a blank canvas if you like to build from scratch, or start with a template to jump ahead. Think of a doc as your main workspace that can hold all the moving parts of a project from ideas to deliverables in one place. Next, organize your work with pages in the left sidebar. Click New Page and create sections like Content Plan, Tasks, or Client Notes. Pages act like chapters in a book, keeping different areas tidy while still living under the same doc, so everything stays connected. Now add a table, one of Coda's core features. Type /table and select table. Add columns such as task name, status, deadline, and owner. Each row represents one item, like a task or a content piece. Rename columns, resize them, and add only what you need, so the table stays focused. Make your data smarter by customizing column types. Switch columns to text, select, date, or checkbox so inputs are consistent. For example, create a status select list with draft, in progress, and done, and set deadline as a date column so you can sort and filter by time. If your work spans multiple pages, connect your data. Link tables across pages so you can reference a single source of truth. For example, a content calendar page can pull items from the tasks table, letting you plan without duplicating information or breaking consistency. Add buttons to streamline repetitive actions. Type /button and create simple workflows such as mark task as done, add new row, or send notifications. Buttons help enforce process and reduce clicks, which is especially helpful for team members new to the doc. Choose the best view for the job. Switch a table into a calendar for scheduling, a Kanban board for status-based flow, or keep it in table view for details. Filter by owner or status so each person sees exactly what matters to them. Keep everything together with files and embeds. Insert images, videos, and links directly into your pages or rows, so context lives beside the work. Drag and drop files or paste links to keep reference material close at hand. Collaborate in real time. Share your doc, assign tasks to teammates, and leave comments where decisions are made. Use clear permissions so contributors can edit while stakeholders can view and comment safely. Finally, save time with templates. Duplicate your doc to reuse it across clients or projects, and build systems like a content planner, a lightweight CRM, or a project tracker. Over time, refine the template so your process stays fast and consistent.